We have the number 16. We have the number 16 and 17 as well. All right. And what else for you?